Yes, sir. I can.
Yeah. Okay. Today, shall we do the revision for your
Yes,
exam?
sir.
So which chapter
Yep.
you are feeling difficult? What are
Lesson
the
3 and 4, there is the exam. Can lesson 3 is easy, but mean addition it is I have a bit of doubt. That's it.
fractions?
No, sir. Lesson 3 and 4.
What is the
Simple
lesson three?
equations and data handling.
Simple equation. Okay. Shall we discuss the simple equations?
Yes, sir. Simple equations I know, but I have to practice more.
So you need some questions on simple equations or
Yes, sir.
okay. So you're feeling difficult on simple equations. Am I right?
No, sir. Not difficult. I have to just revise.
Okay, fine. So linear equations. So what is simple equations?
Lesson 4.
Yeah. So lesson three is what? Simple equations, no?
Data handling. Data handling.
Okay, you need data handling or that is simple equations.
Sir, data handling.
So you need the first data handling. Okay. So we'll revise data handling first. After that, we'll discuss on simple equations.
Okay, sir.
1 minute. Okay. Okay. So I'll give the some questions. Please practice those questions also. So that will be
Yes, sir.
beneficial for your exams also. Okay. So I'm going to share. Okay. So take the question once. The distance traveled by a taxi in 6 days is given below. Okay. So that is 186 kilometers, 108 kilometers, 120 kilometers,
Mm.
94 kilometers, 104 kilometers, and 150 kilometers. So total we are having 6 days. The distance traveled by taxi in 6 days. The first day 186 kilometers. Now find the mean.
Mm.
Find the mean distance, that is average. The distance traveled by the taxi.
Okay, sir.
Okay, can you try this question?
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is a 2 marks question. So most probably they may ask 2 or 3 marks only.
Mm.
But in sometimes they may give like A and B bits. Find the range and find the mean of this data. Means they'll ask the questions, this type of questions. Okay. Now,
Mm-hmm.
okay. So can you try this question?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Should I read stepwise, sir?
Yeah, stepwise. Just you write the formula. When you're writing anything, first you have to represent the data, that's concept. Means what's the mean? Mean is equal to sum of all observation. Even in the exam also, when you are when you're trying the exams also, you have to write the formula at least. So when you're doing the calculation in between, you may get the wrong means. By seeing the formula, they'll give the some marks. Okay. So this is the main important. So representation is very important other than objective. So mean is equals to so what do you got the value? What is the mean here over here?
1 second, sir.
If we done this, we can try the second problem also. The points obtained by a
Yep.
team in a game are as given here. It is 50, 22, 14, 20, 24. The first one. Calculate the range of the points. Second one is mean. Find the mean. Mean of the points. Right. So what is the value for mean for the first question?
143.66.
Wrong. Check your answer once again. So 186 plus 108 plus 120 plus 94 plus 104 plus 150 by 6 observation. Total how many observations is there over here? 6. So after calculating you may get 762, you may get 762 by 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 4, 6 eights are 48, 6 sevens are 48, 6 sevens are 42, sorry. 42 is there, no? 6 1. So you totally you get 127. Just add all this 186, 108, 120 plus means 120 plus 104 is nothing but you may get 224. 150 plus 94 you may get 144. 244. So 244. 8, 16. 16 plus 6, 22. 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 4, 5, 6, 7. 762. 762 by 6. 6 table divided. 6 ones are 6. Carry forward 1. 6 twos are 12. Carry forward 4. Means 12 minus 16 is 4. So 6 sevens are 42. 127. So mean is 127. Understood?
Hmm.
Yeah. So can you try this question also? Calculate the range.
Okay, sir.
Calculate the range of the points. Find the mean of the points. The points obtained by a team in a game are as given here: 15, 22, 14, 20, 24. So here they, so this type
Hmm.
of question they mostly they may ask. It's the same. Find the range and find the mean if they ask this type of questions.
Okay, sir.
Range. So write the formula range. Range is equals to
Yes, sir, I'm
highest,
writing.
yeah, highest value minus lowest value. Highest point minus lowest point you can write. Highest value minus lowest value. So before, when you are doing the range, first we have to make them into ascending order. It will be very easy for to find lowest value. So what is the range you got?
10.
Yes, good. 10 means the highest is 24. 24 minus 14, you may get 10. So find out the mean also. The same thing like that.
Hmm.
Done?
Almost.
Yeah. Mean is equal to sum of all observations by number of.
Sir, 18.4 is the mean.
No. Check your answer once. Check your answer once. So just check your answer. So 18, 15 plus 22 plus 14 plus 20 plus 24 total. How many observations? 5 observations.
94.
Okay. Now 15 plus so 20 plus 24 is 44. 44 plus 14, 58.
Uh,
58 plus 37. How much? 15. 95. So 95 by 5. So you may get 5 ones are 5. So
15
5
plus
ones are 5, 5 nines are 45. So 19 is the mean. So calculation you need to practice a lot. Calculations. Mean is 90. Understood? Right. Okay. Now we will discuss a few more examples on mean problems. So there is a three students. The name that Aishwarya, Karthik. They written the exam. Karthik, Francis. Okay. Subjects. Subjects. Chemistry, physics, mathematics. Okay, Aishwarya secured in chemistry, it's 89 per 100, 94, 90. Karthik secured 94, 95, 99, 81, 89, 91. Okay, so find the mean of Aishwarya. Aishwarya marks. Okay, very simple, very easy answer. Okay, find the mean of Aishwarya marks. That is the average of Aishwarya. Find the range of chemistry, physics, and mathematics. Range. So both the range. Okay, right. So can you try this question?
Yes, sir.
Same thing like that. Okay, you can try the next question also. Player 1, player 2, player 3. Five, 4, 2, 4, 10, 7. Something like that. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 3, 10, 4, 4, 7. This is the second question. Third question. Done.
Oh, 1 second, sir.
Three observations. I share your marks. Chemistry, physics, and maths. This is the average we have to find the average. 170, 183 plus 90, 273. Am I right? 273 only, no?
Yes, sir. That's
180,
right.
173 or 183, sorry, 183, 170, 170, 9 plus 8, 17.
So correct only,
183,
sir. 273.
273 by 3. Divide this one. 3 nines are 27, 3 ones are 3. So 91 is the average of Aishwarya. That's it. Now find the range of the chemistry, range of chemistry, physics, and mathematics.
Sir,
Range
13, 6, and 9 is the range.
13 and 6. You have to take
13,
separately.
6, and 9. Yes, sir. It was
Chemistry.
separately only.
Yeah, chemistry 81 minus 94 minus 81. How much? 13.
13.
Physics
6.
90. Yes, 6. What about this?
9.
9. 36 and 9. That's it. Good. So you can try this question also. So are you able to see this table, the down table?
Yes, sir.
Right. So I'm giving some questions. It is a three friends play golf. Their scores on 6 holes of goals are given below. They have given 6 holes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. The first question is what? Find the average score of player 1. Find the average score of player 1. Player 1. Okay. And the same thing like that. Whose average score is more? Whose average score is more? Player 2 or player 3? So we have to compare both player 2 or player 3. So we have to find the average of the player 2 and 3. Okay. In the same thing like that, who is the best performer among the 3 players? Who is the best performer? Best performer among the 3 players. 3 players. This is the question. This type of questions they may ask in the exams. They gave the data, and in that data we have to analyze the data and we have to find the average of the data, and also we have to compare the player 1 and player 2 and player 3. At first we have to find the average of both the 3 players, player 1 and player 2 and player 3. Okay. And after that, who is the best performer among the 3 players? So who's having the average is good, means which is the player which has the average is more, that person we can say that is the best performer among the 3 players. Okay. So according to the table, we have to find the average of the player 1, player 2, player 3. Okay. And the second question is, whose average score is more, player 2 or player 3? So we have to find the average of the player 2 and player 3. And after that, last we have to come to the analyze who is the best performer among the 3 players. Can you try this question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 15 plus 10, 25, 25 plus 7, 25 plus 7 is 32. 32. Sir, for the first answer, it is 5.33.
5.33. 1 minute. We'll check it. So 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 15 plus 10, 25, 25 plus 7, 32. 32 by 3, 4, 5, 6 observation. Okay. So what you're saying? What the answer is you told? 5.33.
33.
6 5 are 30. 6 3 is 18. Yeah.
It goes on forever.
5.3 bar. We can write 5.3 bar. 5.3 bar. Okay. So whose average score is more player 2 or player 3? So here we have to find the two things here. Average of the player 2 and we have to know about the player 2 and player 3. Among this player 2 and player 3, we have to find the who's the best, who is the average score is more. Means
Oh,
whose
C
performance
is
is
greater.
C is greater, player 3 is greater.
Hmm.
Yeah, player 2. The average of player 2. So 30 by 6.
Oh, 6.
5. Okay, player 3. 13, 17, 17 plus 4, 21, 28, 36. Am I 36 only, no? 6
Hmm.
is the 36. So 6 is the, so player 3 has good average.
Hmm.
Then player 2. We have to write a statement. Player 2.
Hmm. So player 2 is greater.
Yes, player 3 only, no?
Player C is greater. Yeah. Player C
Average
3.
6 is there here. 5 is there in player 2. Which one is the
Yes, so
average is
player
better?
3 is greater. 3.
Yeah. Yes, I'm saying player 3 has good average than player 2.
Oh, okay. I thought you were telling 2. I'm like, what did I do? And then again, C is greater than all.
Who is the best performer among 3 players? Player 3 only, no? Obviously. 5.3 here we got 5.3, 5, 6. Which is the best performer among 3 players here? Player 3 is the best among the 3 players. 2 players.
Hmm.
Okay. So this is a type of problems they may ask in the average problems. Okay. So one more model we're missing, that is finding the mean of find the mean of
Hmm.
first 10 prime numbers. Find the mean of next question. Find the
Hmm.
mean of the
Mhm.
first 10 prime numbers. And also this is A and the B here, the 4B.
Sir,
Find the mean
natural
of
or whole?
whole numbers. Find the mean of the first 10 whole numbers.
Hmm.
10 whole numbers. So find out this also. Whole numbers, natural numbers will start from 1. Whole numbers will start from 0.
Okay. Yes, sir, I know. Just writing.
Okay. So one more question. This is the last question for the average. After that, we'll go for the next concept. Okay. The highest. You can try this question. The 2 questions you can try it. I'm writing the question. So meanwhile, the highest temperature in degrees centigrade for a week in a city was recorded as follows. So next one is day temperature. Day temperature. On Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Sir, are the first term prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7,
2,
11,
3, 5,
13?
7, 11, 13. 17,
17,
19,
19,
23,
23, 29,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 23 and 20,
29, 9.
29, 20.
Okay, I'm right. Okay.
Thirty-five, 36, 33 point degrees, 35.3, 32, 32.5, 34. First question. Find the range of the temperature in the above data. The above data. Find the average temperature for the week. Find the average temperature next. On which days was the temperature
Sir, in the fourth bit, there is A and B bit, no? For the first to find the mean, what I did, I already wrote the equation. Mean is equals to sum of all observations by number of observations.
Okay.
Should I write it again?
Yeah, that will be habitude for you while writing the exams also. Okay, now only you don't write. Anyhow, you wrote no before. Okay, just you write the answers. Okay, for exam purpose, you have to write the formula. Okay.
Sir, I'm writing everything in a stepwise manner, sir.
Okay, no problem. That is very good for you. How many days was the temperature below the temperature? Was how many days was the temperature below the average temperature? So after this is the practice
45, no,
part of
sir. For 1 to 9 addition is 45, right? Yeah, I think so. Yep.
which one you are doing?
B1 of
Yeah.
fourth bit.
Okay.
1 plus, so 10, 10 plus 6, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 6, 21, 21 plus 7, 28, 28 plus 8, what was 28 plus 8? Yes, 6, 36, 36 plus 9, 45. Correct, I am.
Right. So this is the last problem on averages. So the core concept, whatever we discussed, the whole thing, it will be covered in
Sir,
this.
mode,
Which one you are
mode
saying?
median also we have
Yeah,
to do,
that
no?
one also. After completing this one, we'll go for the mode, median, all this. Okay, just
Okay,
complete
sir.
it fast. So I'll take more 15 minutes more also.
City was backward as follows.
I'll read the highest temperature in degrees centigrade for a week in a city was recorded as follows. So Monday, Tuesday they have given 35 degrees, 34 degrees Celsius. So find the range of the temperature in the above data. The first question. Find the average temperature for the week, the whole average temperature. On which day was the temperature above the average temperature? So whatever you got the temperature, no. So on which day, how many, on which days was the temperature above the, on which days, on which days was the temperature above the average temperature? The last one, for how many days was the temperature below the average temperature? Below the average. So whatever you got the average. So how many days? So below the average means less than average. What? How many days are there? Then you have to count it and write the answer for this. Okay.
Oh,
First
this
thing,
is easy,
first,
Mr. Then.
yeah,
This is easy also. That
yeah,
like
easy
before.
only, easy only. But we have to understand the question is it takes some time.
Mm.
What is the average you got?
1 second, sir. Oh, finding this mean is so hard.
$33.78 you may get. So you
Yes,
can
sir, I
take
got correct.
33.78.
Yeah.
33.78. 236.5 you got 236.5.
236.5. Yes, sir.
Divided by 7. Okay, so you may get
Oh,
so
that took a
236
lot of
means
time.
like you have to take like this 2 2 3 6 5 by 70 we have to take. Multiply with 2, multiply with 2.
Mm.
Okay, so you may get 2365.
Sir, instead of doing this, I did normally. Just
70.
divided
So
it. Was
this is the
easier.
easiest method.
Mhm.
2365 by 70. If you take like this, you may get the value 33.78. So now 30, the mean is 33.78. Okay. Now find out this. Find the average. Find the range is already you done this. Okay. Average temperature of the big you did. So on which day was the temperature above the average? Above the average. So 33.7. So above the average is what? Wednesday. Okay. On which days? Wednesday.
Monday,
Thursday.
Tuesday, Wednesday.
Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday.
Wednesday and Thursday.
Thursday. What about
Friday,
Sunday?
Friday,
Friday is,
Sunday, Sunday, sorry.
yes,
Sunday.
Sunday. So you have to write this solution for this. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. On. For how many days
For
was the
how many days?
temperature below the average temperature? The rest of
Friday and
things.
Saturday.
Friday and Saturday. That's it. 2 days. How many days they have mentioned? Did not days. Did not mention the day. Okay. How many days? 2 days. Was the temperature below
Yeah.
the average? That is Friday and Saturday. That's it. Okay. So that's all for the average problems. So we will discuss about the mode, median, and mode, median problems we will solve. Okay. Now. Okay. Now. So take the question. The shoe size. The shoe size of 25 students. 25 students in a group is given below. Find the mode of the information. Find the mode of the information. First 3 3 3 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 6 comma 4 comma 4 3 comma 3 comma 4 4 5 comma 5 comma 4 comma 3 comma 3 comma 5 4 comma 6, 3 comma 4 comma 4 comma 6 comma 4 comma 3. No.
Sir, range only, no, not mean.
Mode. So we have to just count this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So total year 21 22 23 24 25. 25 students we got. Okay, now you have to arrange the ascending order.
Hmm.
Okay, and find the mode of this information. And also they may ask a question like this: use tabulate the data first, find the mode of the information and tabulate. What's the meaning of tabulate?
Write the shoe size, the tally marks,
Tabulate
and the
means,
frequency.
yes, tally marks you have to write. Find out the tally marks. You have to tabulate it. After later on, you have to find the, so which observation is repeated maximum number of times. That is the mode. Okay. First we have to write the ascending order. Then after that you have to write the tabulate the data. That is frequency distribution table. And after that you have to find the mode of this given data. Okay, so this is the about the mode process. Right. Right. Okay.
Hmm. Four is the mode, sir. 4.
4 is the mode. Yeah, 4 is the mode. Just what is the order? 3 1
Sir,
2 3
3, the
4
marks.
5
You
6
said.
7 8. So 8 times is repeated. 3 is repeated 8 times. So we have to write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. In the same thing 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 we have to write 4 times 4 we can write 10 times. This is the correct way of finding the mode. If you write, if you by seeing analyze, if you analyze and writing the data means sometimes you may get wrong. 3 4 5 3 4 10. So now you have to count the 5. So here you are getting 8. Here we are getting 10. Okay. Now what are the left out observation? 1 2 3 4 4 we got. Okay, 5 repeated 4 times. So 6 is there here. 1 2 3. So total
4
how
is
many are
repeated
getting
the
here?
most 10 times.
4
4,
3.
10, 3, 8, 5, 4, and 6, 3.
18 yes, 18 plus 4 22. 22 plus 3 25. Total you are getting 25 observation. Okay.
Correct,
So in
sir.
the exam don't write like this. Okay, just you write the ascending order, and so according to this observation 4 is repeated maximum number of, just you have to write the tally. So marks, that is size.
Sir, shoe
Shoe
size,
size,
then tally marks, then frequency.
yes, shoe size, tally marks,
And then frequency.
3. Okay, now the shoe size is 3. 3 repeated how many times? 8 times. So we can write 1 2 3 4 and the 5. This is a 5. 5 6 7 8. Now in the 4 repeat how many times? 10 times. So we have to write 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. In the same thing like 5 is repeated 4 times. So we can write normally you can write 1 2 3 4. And 6 is repeated 3 times. So 1 2 3. So this is the way of use the pen. So when you constructing a tabulated form, use the pencil and ruler. Okay, don't write directly with pen. You may lose the marks. Okay, this also consider the marks also. Drawing the table also they will give 1 mark, 1.5 mark for this constructing a table also. Okay, so this is the way of finding. Okay,
Hmm.
shall I give one more question? So do you want so now I'm going to give that the fourth question. That is a median problem. Median mode. I hope you understand. Okay,
Hmm.
so we'll
Yes, sir.
the next the time taken by 12 students in minutes to get ready for the school. Ready for the school. Ready for the school is given below. Find the median of the observations. Okay, so this is the data. 23, 134, sorry, 34, 23, 34, 45, 43, 27, 37, 48, 53, 38, 49. So this is 53,
Hmm.
53, 49, 26, and 40. Just count the observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 observation here. Okay, now find the median of this observation. Okay, yes, please try this question. And the last problem for this, and the last problem for covering the. So in the next class, we will discuss the graphs. Okay, graph and simple equations. Okay. Now I'm going to give one
Sir,
more question.
38 is the median. 38.
38. No,
Mhm.
if the observation is 12, first write the ascending order. Right, and whatever they given the draw data, first we have to convert it into ascending order. And
Hmm.
12 is the what? 12 is the even. 12 is the even number. So what is the formula we can use?
30. Oh, sorry, sir. 38 and 40. We have to take, what do you call?
Average
By
of
2.
38. Yeah, by 2. 38 plus 40 by 2. So just you have
38 by 2 plus 40 plus 1 by 2.
40 by 2. So you okay. 30 n by 2 and n by 2 plus
And,
1.
Mhm.
Okay. And just simple. First we have to arrange the order. So n value is how much here? 12. So n by 2 means how much? 12 by 2 is nothing but 6. Sixth observation. Here seventh observation means we have to count it 1, 2, 3. After arranging all those numbers, we have to count sixth observation. We have to circuit like
No,
this.
sir. We have to take 38 by 2 plus 40 by 2 plus 1. No?
Yeah. No, 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 no. See, I'll explain once again. Okay. So can you give the arranging ascending order for this observation?
23, 26, 27, 34, 37,
Okay.
38, 40, 43,
40, 43,
45, 48, 49, 53,
48, 49,
49,
and
53,
yes, I'll
53,
count the numbers 3,
12.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, fine. Now, So the n value is how much here? 12 students, right? So here also 12
Hmm.
students are there. So you can use the easiest observation means if is n is 12 observation is there, we can use n by 2 observation and n by 2 plus 1 observation. So n by 2, 12 by 2, how much here? Sixth observation. Am I right? Sixth
Hmm.
observation. Here 6 plus 1, how much? Seventh observation. Means you have to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 40 also seventh observation. So average of this one 38 plus 40 by 2. We have to write the average of this one. So you may get 78 by 2. So how much you may get? 39. 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18. So 39
Sir,
means
but
30.
39 is not there.
Yeah, 38 and 39 in between. It takes 39 minutes.
Hmm.
Find the median of the observation. So median of the observation
Sir,
is
but
30.
we should have done 38 by 2 plus
Okay, see here.
40 plus 1 by 2,
See here.
no?
So what is the middle observation here out of here? It is an even number, right? So from this side and from this side, what is the median terms here? Two terms are getting here.
38 and 40.
Yeah, average of those number. In the case, if they have given more than 30 observations, if they have given, for example, they have given 30 observations. So how to find 30 observations? It is very difficult to find the middle term, no? So that's why I use the formula n by 2 observation and n by 2 plus 1 observation. So did you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if I gave 53 observations, it is 54 observations, it is very difficult to find the median, right? So using the formula,
52 by 2 plus 52 by 2 plus 1.
yeah, 52 by 2 and 52 by 2 plus 1. So we get 26 and this is 27.
27.
So 26 and 27 observation we found it on 52 observations in that. Okay, and
But
wherever
if
you
it
got 20,
is, sir, if it is odd, then
if it is
just
odd
10 by
means
2, no?
n plus 1 by 2, n plus 1
Okay.
by 2. So this is odd.
Hmm.
If it is even means n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 means
Hmm.
consecutive numbers will get 25 means other side will be 26 will get nothing. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Even means by 2 means if, for example, if it is 26 observations means 26 by 2 how much here? 13. The next one is 14.
Hmm.
Just count plus 1, we can count it plus 1 simply.
Hmm.
Okay, so in this case it is very easy to find the median, but if whether they have given 26 observations, it is very difficult to find the middlemost observation. It takes a lot of time. To avoid the lot of time, we are using the formula called n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1. I hope you understand.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
If it
for
is an
example,
odd
6
number, then if it is
n plus,
53, sir.
for example, if it is there 54, for example, I am taking 54. For example, it is
It
the
is an
odd
even, sir.
observation, count the observation. Forget about the number. This is 54 is an
54.
even number. So how many observations are there here? Up to here 12. We can add one more observation means how much? 13 observations. Okay. So we can use 13 plus 1 by 2. You may get 14 by 2 is nothing but how much? 7 observations. So here, did you understand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yes,
6,
sir.
and 40 is the median. First we have to arrange the order.
Hmm.
So you may get confused. Okay, 1 minute. So actually we are having 12 observations, right? So the middle number what we got 38 plus 40. These are the median. Okay, average of for this means we get 39 as a median. Okay, in case if I take 13 observation, if I add 54. So how many observations are there here over here? 13 observations here. Okay, so 13 observation means so you get 40 here. How 40 is the median? 13 plus 1 by 2. We may get 14 by 2. How much it will be? 7. Count the observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So median is what? How? Median is equals
7.
to 40. Seventh observation.
40.
40. Seventh observation from starting to seventh. That means 40 is the median. Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the way to find the median of the data. So use the formula. When is even? N by 2 and n by 2 plus 1. Just you have to increase 1. For example, if I got 6, what about the next one? 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this both will get the
Okay,
median.
sir.
Understood? So you can try this. So if you have the test book, you can try this. So in the next class, we'll discuss this type of problems once again,
Okay,
so that
sir.
you can get the perfection about this. Why I am forcing to take this formula means if they have given 59 observation, 58 observation, it is very difficult to find the median. Am I right?
Yes,
If
sir.
it is 12 means it is we can easy to find the median. Okay, if it is 58 observation means middlemost number, where how we can find? It's very difficult for us to find the median. So using the formula we can find it. So I hope you understand this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. So this is about the median. In the next class we will discuss about median and mode is already we covered, right? Average also we covered. So mode, median and graph will discuss in the next class.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I hope you understand this, whatever we discussed today. And also in the next class, we will discuss graph and also we will discuss the simple equations also. So do you want to continue in the next class or you want to try?
Sir, we can continue or your wish, sir.
Because you are having the exam, no? PT1, that is a very important to you also in the academic also. Okay. So in the next class, we will revise once again the two chapters, simple equations and this also. In the next class, we will cover means on the day after tomorrow, you may get the exam, right? Am I right?
Yes,
Today
sir.
is 19, no? 18, 19, 20. So when you have exam?
Yeah.
On 23rd, no?
23rd math.
So before one day, we'll discuss once again, if possible. Okay. So 23rd means 22nd, we'll discuss once again.
Okay.
Okay. So that's all for the today's class. Do you want to try one more question?
Okay, sir.
Right. So you can try this question also. So marks obtained by 7 students, that is 80, 87, 81, 92, 87, 87, 82. So find the median. Find the median. It's very easy. By seeing also we get over median means middle number. What are the middle most number will get? 4. Maybe maximum will get 4 only.
Yeah, 4.
Yeah. Just count. Just write this one.
80, 81, 83, 87, 87, 92.
83.
Yep.
87.
87, 87, 92. 87 again, sir.
Yeah,
92.
3 times you got.
Yes, sir. 3 times. That's what I told.
Yeah, I wrote 3 times only. 87,
Okay,
87,
okay.
92.
92.
So this 3 and this 3. So median is what?
4. 87.
87. So don't go for 4. Fourth observation. You have to count the observations. That's it. Okay, n by 2, n by 2. When we are using n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1, which is even number. When it is even, when it is odd means n plus 1 by 2. So this is observations. Count the observation purpose only. It will be used. Okay. If it is middle 4, median is 4, we cannot write like this. So don't confuse. Okay. When you are using the formula, count the numbers. For example, if I got 4, fourth of n plus 1 by 2, we got 4. For example, count 1, 2, 3, 4. 87. Median is 87. Like that you have to. So the only thing is you have to practice more times. Then only you can get perfection on median.
Okay, sir.
So this is about the median. So till now what we discussed? Average,
Median,
mean,
mode,
median.
and mean.
Yes, 3 topics we covered today, right? In the next class we will discuss more about on median when they have given even. Okay, so the next class we'll discuss mean, median, and mode also we'll discuss, and after that we'll do one graph, that is double graph and single graph, and after that we'll discuss about simple equations. Okay, so that's all for the
Okay,
today's
sir.
session. Okay,
Thank
so
you,
I
sir.
hope,
Bye, sir.
did you understand all the topics?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so feel free if you didn't understand, I'll explain once again. Number of times, if you ask me number of times, I'll ask. I'm ready to tell the answers. Okay, so that this is about the mean, median, and mode. So
Thank you,
next class
sir.
we'll
Bye,
discuss the
sir.
graph. Bye.